it is time for my Walmart Beauty Box. Now, Walmart Beauty Box is a seasonal subscription. You get it 4 times a year. It used to be $5, but they just changed it to $7. They changed it to $7 because the shipping. They say the box is free, but they changed it to $7 because they said the shipping costs a little bit more. But basically, you just pay for shipping. But we're gonna say what it is. They did skip a season 2 seasons ago because they're gonna revamp the box, and so I got my box. This is probably the fall box. I'm hoping maybe. But I think either the summer or the spring was actually pretty good, and I think it was worth $7. So I just didn't cancel it, but we're gonna try it out. We're gonna see what this month is. I'll let you guys know if it is summer or fall. Sometimes they send them out randomly. Everybody gets random things randomly. Ooh, I already like this box as it is. Okay, let's read the piece of paper. Okay, so it says, okay, this is a fall box. It says, reinvigorate your routine for the new season with our fab collection of autumn ready picks. So the first thing we got is the Real Techniques, and this is a makeup sponge. This is a full size makeup sponge. They said this one's $4.88. I really like these. I use the Real Techniques brand like crazy. This is a pretty pink. Just says for foundation and BB cream. But yeah, I really like that. So this is another item that we got. We also got some bubble paper. Yeah, bubble paper. The next thing I got is the Sieste Moi It's Me. It is a papaya strawberry seed scrub facial mask. Okay, so this is what is this? So this says it's $10. It looks like it's, I don't know if it's 1 in here or 2, but it is a full size. It says full size is $10 at 1.7. So this is a full size item for $10. So basically it comes in a box. So it's just basically something to spread on your face. A full size item for $10. So that's there. We got, you know, $14 right now, $15 worth of stuff for $7. So we got that. And then we got a liquid IV. It's something that you put in your drink. This is just one sample. It says it's liquid IV. The full size costs $8.98, and there's 6 packets in here. So this is what, $1.250 maybe, give or take. I don't know if I'm figuring out my math. $2. No, it's like $2.25 for it. So this is a passion fruit. You just add this whole thing to your water bottle and you got that. So that is item number 3. The next thing we got is the Burt's Bees facial cleanser. I actually have one of these, but I have yet to use it. It's in my stash. But the full size is a 6.0 ounce. This is a 1 ounce. So this is $8.34 if you got the full size. So this again is probably like $1, $2 worth, but this is for sensitive skin with cotton extract. It's for, you can use it for eczema, but it's just like a Burt's Bees facial cleanser, so I'm pretty excited to try that. And then this is the last item I got. This is a exfoliating body polish. Now I've been seeing these like crazy on my Ibotta thing to do some deals for it, and I haven't checked it out, but a full size of this costs $5.94 for a 10-ounce bottle. This is 2 ounces right here. So this is actually a pretty good size for being a sample size. The smell we got is pomegranate seeds and shea butter. I'm actually excited to try this. It smells okay. Like for a while I got like a weird smell, but it actually smells pretty good. You can really smell the cocoa butter on here, or the shea butter. But yeah, this is, I think, is a great size for a, you know, thing. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items this month. So I only got 5 out of the 8. Another item that they have is the, instead of this, they have the Moi gentle cleansing wipes. So you get some wipes, I'm assuming. I don't know how many of those. I wonder if you get a full size of that. I'm assuming, because it says purchasers will receive 1 Moi product. So I think you get a full size of the wipes. Another thing is the Bliss, that's Incredipeel. It's acid pads. So most likely you'd probably just get 1 of those, and those are $21.94 for 15 of them. And then there's also the Neutrogena Stubborn Blackheads Daily Serum. So you'll probably just get a little tiny bottle, but these are the samples. I don't know if you guys can see it, but these are the samples that they come with. But I'm actually pretty happy with the box that I got, because I mean, if you guys think about it, this is like almost $5. This is $10. This is give or take like maybe $1, give or take. I mean, this is probably ish $2 according to their full size, and this is, I don't know, maybe less than $1. I don't know, but I mean, for 5 items for $7, I think that's a pretty good deal. And this is stuff that I'm actually excited to use, because I will definitely be using this, and we will try the Moi mask. But if you guys want to join, you just Google Walmart Beauty Box, and it'll take you to a separate website, not on the Walmart app website, but it'll take you to it. You subscribe to it. I don't know if you might get the fall, I don't know, or you might get it till the winter one, but you get it 4 times a year. They usually will send you an email to update your address before you get charged on your credit card. But I've been doing the Walmart Beauty Box for a couple years, and for a while there it was lame, but now they revamped it, and I've been happy again since they revamped it for box number 2. Let me know what you guys like on it. Let me know if you guys enjoyed something over the other, and I know some of you guys do get it, so let me know if you enjoyed any of the items in your box. But I definitely wanted to share with you guys on that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.